In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your AutoCAD when your menus and toolbars are missing. If you find yourself facing this issue, don't worry. It's a common problem and easily fixed. The process is straightforward, and I will guide you through it step by step, making sure you feel comfortable and confident along the way. To begin, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. This is where the AutoCAD logo is located. Go ahead and click on that logo. Once you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing a variety of options you can choose from. What we're interested in right now is the Options menu. So go ahead and click on Options, and this will open a new window where we can get into the nitty-gritty of resolving those missing toolbars. Inside this Options window, you'll notice several tabs aligned at the top. What we're looking for is the Profiles tab. Clicking on Profiles will present you with a list of profiles currently set up in your AutoCAD environment. Now, this is where the magic happens. Within this list, you'll see an unnamed profile. It's typically the active one, unless you've set up a custom profile. In case it isn't named, this is our target. Click on that unnamed profile to select it. Once you've selected the unnamed profile, you'll see a Reset button within the same window. Clicking Reset is a key step in bringing back all your missing toolbars and ribbons. What this does is it restores the default settings for your profiles, which essentially brings back the layout and setup that might have been lost or hidden during your work session. Go ahead and click Reset. You'll notice that it's a simple action with no complex confirmations needed. After you've reset the profile, you should click OK to close the Options window. This is a crucial step as it ensures all the changes take effect and the window no longer obstructs your workspace. Upon completing this, you'll notice your AutoCAD interface spring back to life. All the necessary toolbars and ribbons that vanished will now be restored and ready to use. You should be able to proceed with your tasks without any further issues. And that's it. With these easy steps, you've restored the missing elements in your AutoCAD environment. Remember, this problem can occasionally occur, and now you are fully equipped to handle it swiftly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section, and I'll do my best to assist. See you in the next video.